A marketing funnel is an effective way to put potential leads in your sales pipeline and have your website work as your 24/7 sales tool.
Often, in an effort to cast a wide net, we end up capturing a lot of the wrong leads. Marketing funnels can help with this too by leveraging a funnel to screen the leads for you. Screening saves you money by not wasting time attracting or engaging the wrong clients.
Exactly, and you can use your existing website to make sure you work with the types of clients that you want to.
That's right. And by having a marketing funnel that captures and screens prospects, you build a process from inquiry to sale that achieves consistent results. And without it, you're left constantly shifting how you do things based on any lead who comes your way.
Before we break down a marketing funnel, let's discuss the 3 main reasons to set up a process to capture and screen leads. First, we use marketing funnels to catch the casual visitor and start the sales conversation process. Too many service providers rely on a phone number posted on their website header or contact page, wishing that the visitor will engage and give them a call. However, sometimes jumping on a phone call isn't the best first step unless you have a great sales team and the lead is well educated in what you do. Many visitors are too timid or indecisive to reach out, so they bounce and realistically may never come back.
Exactly. And the second reason to have a marketing funnel is to prepare you and the client for a successful project. As you'll see in the coming lessons, screening questions play an important part in getting potential clients to sign agreements. The process can be vital for converting them, as you'll be gathering the language and information to sell them on why you're the best solution.
And lastly, a marketing funnel can save time and resources, which we all love to do. You may be getting 1 lead a month or 10 a day. Awesome. No matter the amount, you will inevitably get some poor leads or leads who are not ready for the next step. Having a proper marketing funnel will prevent these leads from getting too far into the process that will take valuable time or waste resources in trying to convert them.